Today, a transition is underway, reshaping how our industry brings power to the people. Renewable energy sources such as wind and solar are providing consumers with new options. With a touch of a smartphone, they can choose how and when they use their power. As society and consumers transition to this new world, so too must the power network that supports them. Throughout 2018, Hoosier Energy and our 18-member cooperatives stood at the forefront of these transitions, seeking better ways to produce, manage, and deliver energy to the communities we serve. Thanks to strong financial results and A investment-grade credit ratings, we preserved competitive and stable member rates and returned capital credits, also known as patronage, to our members. The Board of Directors authorized Hoosier Energy to retire $6.5 million in patronage capital to members in 2018, bringing the total retirements and credits to approximately $125 million since 2000. This unique aspect of the cooperative business model is a reflection not only of Hoosier Energy's financial strength, but also a tangible example of the benefits of the cooperative principles we believe in. Cooperation and collaboration guide our work, always with a shared goal of what's best for the 300,000 member consumers who depend on us for electricity. Members set Hoosier Energy's strategic priorities, and management is developing initiatives to advance those priorities. When Steve Smith announced his retirement after 25 years as president and CEO, the board of directors conducted a nationwide search for his successor. They selected former Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Donna Walker as Hoosier Energy's fourth president and CEO. Steve skillfully guided Hoosier Energy's transition from a supplier building a system to a lean, strategically focused cooperative well-positioned to meet further economic growth. Now, Donna and her team are continuing that success, collaborating with members to enhance partnerships, advance technology, and ensure consumers access to reliable, cost-effective energy options. It's already happening. Consumers at several member cooperatives are choosing to opt into the new My Solar program, which provides the benefits of solar energy without having to install or maintain their own solar equipment. The idea began simply enough. Members asked us to work with them on tapping into 10 1-megawatt solar arrays, with an average of 4,000 panels per array for member consumers. We expect nearly all our members to offer My Solar to their member owners by the end of 2019. Answering the call from consumers for more energy options means we must continually evaluate our generation and transmission resources to meet member owner needs. Sometimes that means closing a plant. In 2018, we retired the Clark Floyd landfill gas plant in Clark County and reduced operational costs by $3 million. We are adding 200 megawatts of solar energy through a power purchase agreement with the new River Start Solar Project in Whitewater Valley REMC's service territory. As a result of this project and other initiatives, Hoosier Energy will achieve its target of providing member systems with 10% of energy from renewable sources by 2025. Meanwhile, our traditional resources continue to provide value. More flexible operations trimmed $1.5 million from operating costs at the Merrim Generating Station, while renegotiated contracts reduced transportation costs. Our highly efficient natural gas units provided energy just when it was needed, available and running with short notice. Managing an efficient power supply means more than cutting costs. It also means looking for opportunities that benefit society. More than 60,000 tons of synthetic gypsum and other byproducts from coal operations brought in $700,000 in revenue. More importantly, what was once destined for the landfill is now an environmentally friendly product used in the wallboard, agricultural, and cement industries. That's the kind of value that benefits everyone. Our members understand the importance of providing reliable electric service to keep their economies humming. So do we. Each year, we challenge ourselves to deliver energy more reliably than before, reduce outage times, and improve visibility into what's happening on the 1,600-mile high-voltage transmission corridor that carries electricity to our member distribution co-ops. Hoosier Energy improved its system reliability by 12% in 2018, bolstered by $16 million in power delivery projects and new technology that improved our ability to see inside complex equipment. While improvements benefit member systems, Hoosier Energy continues to work with members to increase reliability to each of their systems. A new aerial tree trimming program improved maintenance in remote areas, removing 3 times the number of trees that had the potential to disrupt power delivery, and at a 40% savings over the previous year. And a new cybersecurity application developed and patented by the Hoosier Energy Cyber Team now helps detect and thwart malicious attempts to attack systems and operational networks. This application ensured that our core network systems attained 100% reliability. At the same time, we partnered with members to develop and strengthen their own cybersecurity programs. While the people in member communities rarely see these behind-the-scenes activities, we know our member owners are counting on them. After all, reliable competitive power is fundamental to helping their communities thrive. In 2018, Hoosier Energy worked with member communities to attract 55 new or expanded business facilities in their service areas, bringing $730 million in investment. This growth is projected to add more than 2,500 jobs as well as an additional 38 megawatts of power to serve our members' businesses and industries. Our support includes offering professional development workshops to local economic development officials and providing training for businesses. Sometimes we were there to answer questions about power supply options or how something as simple as light bulb choices can impact a company's bottom line. It's the sort of customer engagement that comes naturally for cooperatives and sets our members apart in attracting new business. With technology connecting our world like never before, we're helping members engage with their consumers through co-op programs designed to help consumers save the very energy we produce. Consumers participating in these programs do more for energy conservation than they may realize. In 2018, thousands of hours of energy savings from co-op programs translated to enough power to serve over 1,300 homes. Here at Hoosier Energy, we factor those efficiencies into our overall supply plan, which helps keep power costs down for our members and, in turn, their consumers. Of course, the foundation for operational excellence is safety. The industry-leading Safe by Choice program, now in its 5th year, continues to improve and expand. We partnered with several members to bring the program to their cooperatives. Safe by Choice focuses on recognizing leading safety indicators to effectively communicate and prevent potential safety hazards before they occur. Meanwhile, the Federal Occupational Health and Safety Administration once again renewed Hoosier Energy's Voluntary Protection Program and safety accreditation credentials for our gas-generating stations, this time suggesting a 5-year evaluation cycle instead of the standard 3-year review. Safety training begins at Ground Zero. The Hoosier Energy Apprenticeship Training and Safety Program, or HEATS, continued its successful 44-year run, providing training for 98 member employees who were new to line work, meter reading, and substation operations. We also delivered skill improvement training to nearly 2,000 member employees. Our goal is simple. We want every one of our employees and every one of our members' employees to go home to their families after a hard day's work. Much has changed since members formed Hoosier Energy in 1949. But while supplying member systems with the power and the infrastructure necessary to bring electricity to rural communities may look very different than it did 70 years ago, Hoosier Energy's mission has never changed. We hold true to our promise to deliver competitively priced energy and services safely, reliably, and with respect for the environment. From emerging technologies to new efficiencies with heating and cooling systems, we're helping our members get more from their electric service. As proud as we are of our operational and financial accomplishments, the credit belongs to our members. We exist solely to serve them and their member owners. Together, we are here for the benefit of all. Whatever comes next, Hoosier Energy is ready.